Yung mga lugar na liblib, medyo nakalingid sa mga cell sites, mahirap ang signal. Mas lalo kung nasa loob ka ng bahay. May mataas, may mababa. Kaya maganda yung intention ninyo para mapatayuan yung lugar namin para at least walang magkakaproblema tungkol sa computer.
Kung mapatayo ito ay malaking bintay sa mga tao dito. Maganda kung matupad yung tower para may gamitin yung mga tao.
Today, we are not just commencing a tower project, we are building something far more profound. This is not just constructing steel and signals, this is about building bridges, bridges of understanding, of inclusion, and of respect between the past and the future.
This is the first MOA to be issued under Section 24. Whatever transpired during our coordination, let it be a learning process within us as partners. In a way, this is not the last time that we will be connecting with you.
Today marks more than just the signing of an agreement. It is a testament to our shared commitment to protecting the rights, welfare, and dignity of our indigenous cultural communities and indigenous people.
Ang challenges po namin dito, kung paano namin i-respect po yung mga kultura ng bawat indigenous people dito sa Mountain Province, most especially dito po sa Sagada.
We've been acquiring the site since early 2023, so yung major challenges na we've encountered is to convince the community. Hindi siya ordinary community, knowing na itong area na to is very sacred kasi sa Mountain Province. Tuwing pumupunta kami dito sa bawat site na ina-acquire namin, yung signal, ang hirap kami kontakin ng bawat isa. Yung site na tatayo namin dito is located near the schools. So, yun pa lang is sobrang essential sa mga estudyante na kailangan ng internet. Isang milestone to at breakthrough as a first tower company na magbibuild ng site dito sa Sagada.
Not only the schools, community as well, and also the tourism and businesses here in our place. In behalf of the local government unit of Sagada, we would like to express our heartfelt gratitude for Phil Tower MIEC.
Congratulations po sa inyong lahat. Congratulations to our SAQ team for your job. Very job well done in this development. At maraming salamat po. Okay,